Got it. Got him. All right, squirrel down. Benjamin Trail NP nitro piston, 177. Love this nitro piston. All right, let's get on him. Yes, using a trigger stick, the top piece broke off, so we had to remake a piece on it. All right, let's get up here. Just cock it like that. Put your pellet in. There you go. Alright, there you go. Straight up headshot. He's just twitching a little bit. That's a reaction. It was yeah, it's a good clean headshot. He's dead. But here you go, right there. Yeah, that was, I want to say 15-yard shot. Alright, cool. We're going to see if we can get a couple more. Got him. Yes, I love this gun. Oh yeah. That's squirrel number 2. Right there. Yes. Headshot. Man, his head was barely sticking out of that hole. And I had to, I shot him, got a good headshot, and he flipped out of that hole, so. Number 2. Now that is more like a 25-yard shot. That was a far shot. We got her done. Alright, let's get up on him. Got one with the 177. Benjamin Trail NP nitro piston air gun. Headshot. Here he is right here. Perfect headshot. Yeah, that was beautiful. Alright, nice gray squirrel. Well, I think I am probably done for the day. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be done for the day. I'll walk around a little bit, maybe I'll shoot one more, but probably done. Yeah, that's 2 squirrels, 2 nice beautiful headshots. Well, this one was about 25, the other one was about 15, and yeah, try to kill one more. I'm not gonna stay too long though. Hope y'all enjoy the video. What's up guys, Sam from Hardwood Bowhunter. Just got done squirrel hunting. So we shot 2 today. We got 2 gray squirrels, both headshots. One at 15, one at 25. The gun is a Benjamin Titan NP nitro piston. I really like that gun. I think it was $125, and originally it's like $200, I think. So I was happy about that. Got that on sale. But yeah, the scope I'm using is a Gamo air rifle scope, and I'm just using a tripod or bipod or whatever they're called. But yeah, it was a really good day. We've only been out in the woods for probably an hour. Pellets I was using were these Crosman Destroyer EX pellets, 177 caliber. But yeah, there's like $3 for a can of them. But yeah, it was a really good day. So yeah, get out in the woods, do some squirrel hunting. It's a lot of fun and you'll really enjoy it. So Sam from Hardwood Bowhunter. Be safe and God bless.